In a world filled with doubt and uncertainty, where proof is seen as the ultimate validation, there exists a hidden truth. A truth that can set you free from the chains of fear, doubt, and suffering. Today, we delve into the teachings of Neville Goddard, a man who unlocked the secrets of the mind and its limitless power. According to Neville Goddard, you don't need proof, my friends. You already have it. All that you desire, all that you need, it is already yours. You have the power within you to call forth your deepest wishes into reality. It's time to awaken the dormant force within and embrace the magic that lies dormant within your imagination. Imagine a life where suffering is no longer necessary, where you can effortlessly shape your reality and create a world that aligns with your desires. Neville Goddard's teachings have the power to transform your consciousness and lead you to a radical shift in perception. One of the greatest benefits of embracing Neville's teachings is the ability to detach from the illusions of this world, to be in it, yet not of it. By imagining and feeling your wishes as already fulfilled, you can free yourself from the grip of external circumstances. But it doesn't stop there. Neville's powerful technique of revision allows you to rewrite the script of your life. By revising your past experiences and beliefs, you can reshape your present and future. This is not just about achieving your objectives. It's about realizing your true power. So, my friends, I invite you to join us on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Together, we will unlock the secrets of the mind and unleash the power of imagination. It's time to step into your true potential and inherit the earth. If you are new here, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more such informational videos on manifestation. Neville Goddard's philosophy states that everything we need or desire is already within us, waiting to be called into being through imagination and feeling the wish fulfilled. Neville Goddard's teachings are based on the power of imagination and creativity to manifest what one desires. It is a powerful tool for unlocking our potential. Unfortunately, not recognizing that everything is done for us by an unseen force, some people may push for unnecessary force and control, leading to further suffering. The key component here is understanding that by imagining what one desires as already fulfilled, even if only in spirit, they can gain a greater understanding of their power and potential in shaping reality without needing external proof or circumstance. This can help break down false beliefs about ourselves or others and give us permission to create from within. That said, Neville Goddard also emphasizes the importance of prayer when using this method. Praying with respect will result in rewards if done faithfully, as our relationship with the unseen Father strengthens over time. He also speaks about repentance through revision, revisiting previously held ideologies that suggest we don't have the power within us to shape our circumstances via imagination. These false beliefs are worthy of repentance, as revisiting them with intentionality allows for radical changes in our lives' appearances from an active role, instead of a passive spectator mindset held on to out of fear or misunderstanding. Unlocking your potential can be done by tapping into your creative side and using Neville Goddard's imagination-based teachings as your guide. With practice comes mastery. Take time every day to imagine what it would feel like if all your dreams came true. Then watch it become a reality. Understanding God's plan is essential if you want to unlock the power of imagination and create a better future. Neville Goddard's teachings are an excellent resource for this, as they provide insights into how to manifest your life through visualization, creativity, and the law of attraction. By understanding the purpose in God's plan, we can all take steps towards repentance, releasing any beliefs that cause us to feel powerless or unlovely. Each person knows their true purpose inside, but it should not be based on external validation or trying to please everyone else around them. Meekness is a concept from the Bible that means self-discipline. This does not involve human force or control, but rather faith, imagination, and surrendering ourselves to divine will. In other words, it's about trusting in something bigger than ourselves and allowing things to unfold naturally without forcing our will onto them. We often think that money results solely from hard work alone. However, understanding that everything comes through God naturally helps us accelerate financial abundance without unnecessary force or control over situations. Reimagining your future with Neville Goddard's teachings can open up possibilities you never thought were possible before. So don't hesitate any longer. Do you understand the power of idealism? We have all heard of Napoleon Hill's accurate predictions, and Neville Goddard suggests that by assuming a more ideal version of ourselves, the world around us will form to match our assumption effortlessly. Through Neville's teachings, we can unlock the power of imagination and gain an understanding of how our environment changes with us. God works harmoniously with all of us to manifest whatever we can imagine, as long as it is done with love and wisdom. Unnecessary force or control holds us back. However, if reimagined ideally, it can lead to great things, such as finding inspiration to book a hotel that seemed impossible at first glance. By understanding how naturally our environment changes when we act based on our ideals, we can see that amazing transformations don't require complex actions or tedious processes. Instead, they simply rely on how connected our beliefs are to what manifests around us. The power of idealism is revealed through Neville Goddard's teachings. Visualize your desired state already realized and allow yourself to fully feel its presence within you before taking any action. This will create a ripple effect in your outer world, making your vision become a reality. Feel secure in knowing that whatever you desire is already within you. All you have to do is bring it forth into existence. Intuition is key when making decisions. Trusting our gut rather than blindly following advice can lead to unexpected outcomes. Surrendering control and not forcing or manipulating situations often leads to synchronistic events. When manifesting our desires, faith combined with action brings us closer to our goals without unnecessary strain. Prayer goes beyond religion, believing in the unseen and convincing ourselves of realities beyond our physical senses. By assuming we've already achieved our desired state, we can find peace and motivation to take practical steps in everyday life. Each individual journey is unique and personalized. Practicing imaginative visualization helps us separate from traditional reality, making decisions free from societal expectations or external authorities. Living authentically allows creative freedom for beautiful possibilities individually and collectively. Being mindful, yet allowing serendipity allows for growth beyond imagination and finding joy throughout the journey. With Neville Goddard's teachings, unlocking intuition and manifestation through mindful surrender is easier than ever. We are capable of unlocking our potential and manifesting the life of our dreams. The power of thought and habits shapes our destiny. And with Neville Goddard's teachings, we can tap into the power of imagination to create a life that aligns with our highest aspirations. The process starts by untangling ourselves from what we perceive through our physical senses. Instead, allowing ourselves to honor what we truly want in every area of life. This is where visualization comes in. Visualizing an ideal state helps us become aware that we are already living this version within us now. We then need to hold this vision as real until it manifests itself into the physical realm. Richard Bache's proverb applies here. Sow a thought and reap an act. Sow an act and reap a habit. Sow a habit and reap character. Sow character and reap destiny. Whatever intention we set out has consequences beyond even our imaginations. By consciously repeating this process daily, it soon becomes part of who you are, enabling you to automatically experience whatever aligns with your ideal state in every area of life. I conclude this video here. Stay connected for more such informational videos on manifestation. May God bless you in your manifestation journey.